Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Honda CBR1000RR. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2006 Honda CBR1000RR with 12,728 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an M4 muffler, integrated rear turn signals, flush mount front turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, a tinted windscreen, mirrors, a tank pad, and a carbon fiber front fairing cover. We have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by a 998cc four-cylinder engine, the CBR1000RR puts out 175 horsepower and 85 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.7-gallon fuel capacity, the CBR has a 150 to 200 mile range. It has a 32.3-inch seat height and a 450-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the CBR will need turn signals with sufficient visibility, larger mirrors, and a plate light. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output of 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine cover, a blemish on the front fender, scuffs on the fuel tank, and the upper fairing is missing a screw. There's chipping in the side plastic vinyls. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.